There is a particular aspect of that West Indies Test match win over Australia in Australia that still stands out. And it's how the Australian cricket fans, the commentators, who were almost cheering for the West Indies, which speaks to the lingering popularity of the West Indies brand of cricket. With Test cricket facing survival issues right now, obviously it is felt that the flair and the flamboyance, plus the fun and enjoyment exuded by our players and our brand of cricket, would add value to the struggling world game. All these Englishmen and Australians and other non-West Indians want West Indies cricket to be relevant again. I don't think they want us to get back to those dominant and marauding glory days when we used to decimate and embarrass opposing teams. But I think the concern is genuine to see West Indies back to some controlled level of relevance. Put it this way, they want us back at the workplace, but them don't want us to be the boss. yes. They want us on the lineup, but them don't want we steal the show. You understand?